Hello guys and welcome back again. So in this video I will show you that how to get the reply option on Instagram. So what is reply option? First of all, I will tell you that you will go into your messages and let's suppose that I click on this message here, and when I tap on the message, now I get here couple of different options like reply, report, more, and even I can react to this message. So let's suppose if I want to reply to this specific message, I will click on reply and then I will type my message here and I will send. So if you are not getting the reply option, then there are a couple of fixes that you can do. First of all, you will update your app. You will go into the Play Store and you will type Instagram, and if there is any update, you have to update your app and then come back to the messages and check if the option is available to you or not. And if still not, then you have to update your messaging in the Instagram. And how you can do that, you will click on your profile icon in the right bottom, and then onto the top three lines. Now in this menu you will definitely see an option saying update messaging, and then you have to click on this. And what this will do, this will update your Instagram messaging, and then you will surely get the reply option. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.